In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up tax codes in manager.io. Whether you're managing a small business or just keeping your personal finances in check, understanding how to set up tax codes is essential. It helps you track and record tax liabilities accurately and ensures compliance with tax regulations. So, let's dive right in and get your manager.io system set up efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to the Settings section. You'll find this in the left-hand navigation menu of your manager.io dashboard. This area is your command center for all the configurations you'll make today. Once you've clicked on Settings, you'll notice an option labeled Chart of Accounts. Go ahead and click on that. This page displays the structure of your financial accounts, showing how each one contributes to your overall financial picture. Now, we're going to focus on the balance sheet side of things. Here, you'll see a button labeled New Account. Click on that button to start creating a new account specifically for tax purposes. It's important to give this new account a clear and descriptive name, something like VAT, payable, or sales tax liability. This will help you easily identify it later for reporting and analysis. After naming your account, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Group. Click on this and select Liabilities. This categorization is crucial because tax obligations are financial liabilities that your organization is responsible for paying. Once you've done that, simply click Create. This action saves your new account, and now you have a dedicated space to record your tax transactions. With your new account set up, head back to the Main Settings tab by using the left-hand menu column. This is where you'll configure the actual tax codes. Look for an option called Tax Codes. If you don't see it immediately, scroll down to the lower section labeled Unactivated Features. Sometimes, features like this are not activated by default, so you might need to click on it to make it active. Once you've activated and clicked on Tax Codes, you'll find yourself on a new page. Here, you'll see a button in the top left section labeled New Tax Code. Click this button to start setting up your tax code details. It's here that you'll enter the specific information related to the tax code you want to implement. This could include things like the tax rate and any other relevant details specific to your local tax regulations or business needs. After you have configured all the necessary details for your tax code, don't forget to save your work. Saving ensures that all your settings are stored correctly and that your manager.io system will calculate taxes according to the parameters you've just defined. And there you have it. You've successfully set up tax codes in manager.io. By following these steps, you've taken a significant step towards better financial management and compliance. Remember, accurate tax tracking is not just about staying compliant, but also about understanding the financial health of your business. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using manager.io to its fullest potential.